Hey guys, it's Ollie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as I've hinted on my social media and on here on YouTube, I am finally getting one of my mystery pets that I've been hinting at, and they are coming in the mail tomorrow. They just shipped. I paid for the overnight shipping, so they will be here tomorrow. So I'm really excited about it. This is a pretty good amount of floor space. They are bugs, and they're not huge bugs, but they are foragers, so I'm giving them lots of space. They're also a very arid species. So how this video is going to go is that I'm going to show you making my enclosure. So I'm going to show kind of what all I'm putting into this enclosure, and then I will be unboxing them for you. So it might be a surprise till I actually unbox them, but that's all going to depend on if I decide to put that in the title of this video. So we'll see. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right on to filling up this enclosure. I'm really excited about it. Alright, so they arrived today. They're in here. I did already open this up. I had them sent to my mom's house in case I worked today, but I did it when I went ahead and opened it up when I picked them up to check on them because it was raining. It was really cold out. They are fine. So, let's see. The packaging is great. Let me just turn it around so you can see it. So the packaging is really nice. And again, this is from Bugs in Cyberspace. Highly recommend them. I'll link them down in the comments below. But they are in here, in this, and then there's all kinds of padding, and there is a little, and the heat pack is still pretty warm, so that's nice as well. So, alright. So they're in here. And let me open it up. Alright, so there are 3 of them in here. Let me see. Oh, there we go. There's one. Hi. So these are blue death feigning beetles. It is a fan. That is so cute. Hope that's not blurry, but like, look how pretty she is. My goodness, you are so beautiful. Hello. Ooh, careful. So these guys are terrible climbers, so like I'm trying to be super careful. You guys aren't really gonna be able to see this part. I'm just trying to get them settled in here. Okay, so settled in there, and then we have the third one. So I'm going to go ahead and there we go. Alright, so just to kind of show you guys, they are desert dwelling, native to the US, and they are this blue coloration because of a wax on their body. They're a little dark right now, but when they turn black, that's how you know the humidity is too high, so I'm going to let them chill in here. The humidity is not high in here, but I wonder if maybe because they were in the rain, obviously that may have spiked humidity while they were in the box. Other than that, they are scavengers, so normally what I'll do is I will use this for more like mushy food, like berries. I don't want to get into the sand. I have 2 of those, and then I'll probably just scatter the rest throughout the enclosure. But I just put them on the plates because I just don't want to have to scatter them. They're pretty hungry. I'm not going to make a work for it today. And then they have these snake sheds around, which I had some questions on the picture. They will eat that. So like ice pods, a lot of bugs will eat snake shed. Since I know it's from a clean environment, it is from my snake clementine, that they'll be fine if they eat that. So, but yeah, this is their little home now. They get their name blue death feigning beetle because they feign death. It's pretty self-explanatory, and they're blue. So they play dead when they're scared. And a huge reason I've never really gotten beetles or anything is they don't live too long, and I like animals that live a long time. And turns out these guys can live like up to 15 years in captivity. So these are probably wild caught. I'd have to check with Bugs in Cyberspace, but I'm pretty sure these are wild caught. Most blue death feigning beetles are wild caught. They're very hard to breed in captivity. People are working on it. I'm strongly considering joining that and trying to breed them. But they do already have names. So I am naming them after Futurama characters because, for one, it's my favorite show, and for 2, it's a show that fakes its own death all the time. So I'm probably going to name these 3. I don't know if they're male or female yet. I haven't really taken a good look at them, but I'm probably going to name them like Leela, Fry, and Bender, honestly, just like the trio. But that is it for today's video. I'm just going to keep the camera on them because I figure you probably want to see them more than me. But that's all for today's video. Give this video a like for the algorithm. Comment down below if you guessed right during the video or if you guessed right on one of my posts. Don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram, links down in the description below, as well as my art account, link is also in the description below. I do custom digital pet pictures and commissions are open right now. I also do have a Facebook group where we can just share pictures of our pets, ask for advice, just stuff like that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're into this kind of content or really any animal kind of content. I upload every single Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but you can hit the bell if you don't remember that. And as always, I'll see you next week. Bye!